20 years sa Amerika bilang medical transporter si Recto at doon na rin daw nila napagtapos sa pag-aaral ang kanilang mga anak. Ngayon, ini-enjoy na lang daw nila mag-asawa ang kanilang healthy lifestyle at panoorin po natin ang kanilang extraordinary story.
Hi, my name is Recto Abellanosa, and I'm 60 years old from Artesia, California, and I'm a non-emergency medical transporter by profession. I moved to the U.S. 20 years ago. At first, it was only me, and then sumunod yung family ko.
I could even remember the time when I was like in the plane. Kaya ko kaya ito, Amerika to. I was like a complete stranger here. So pero yung focus ko, kung nasa isip mo parati yung isang bagay na gusto mong mangyayari.
Napagtapos namin yung mga anak namin. I was so blessed to say na kahit papano, nalagpasan namin yung mga hirap na inumpisahan namin dito sa States.
Pareho kami ng goals in life. We finished. That's the major goal. So now, it's just you and me.
Ang MX3 nakakatulong para sa pag-iisip at pangangatawan. Kumbaga kami naman ngayon, ng wife ko, kailangan mag-ready rin naman kami para magawa naman din namin yung next chapter, which is para sa amin dalawa naman. Hindi namin siguro ito magagawa without the help of MX3 na nakakatulong sa pangangatawan namin.
So, healthy life?
Sarap.